Hey guys, it's Dani'i and welcome to another video. If you're hearing some noise in the background, it is rain, thunder that we're getting right now from post Invest 95L. But I'm here with updates on Invest 96L that is currently on its way to the Caribbean. But before I go into details, please take a second or two to tap that subscribe button if you haven't, as well as the notification bell so you know every time when I post a new video, as well as to share to make persons out there know what is taking place and to help the channel grow. And you can also follow my weather account on Instagram at weathergirldani2. Okay, so Invest 96L right now, as you're seeing, the National Hurricane Center is giving it a high 70% chance of formation through the next 5 days. So that is there since yesterday, but right now the formation chance through 48 hours is up. It's at 20% at the moment, and it is likely that we see this becoming a tropical depression or tropical storm at least by the weekend or early next week. So if it does become a storm, which we are waiting on, well, not to say that we're waiting on it, but it will acquire the name CHANTAL. So this could be CHANTAL very soon, and concerns are there for parts of the Eastern Caribbean. That's another thunder. Yeah, so the Eastern Caribbean gonna get some really wet weather from this system come next week. But let's go in details and see more about it. What is the potential intensity? What is the path that it will take? So as it relates to the potential path, here we have most models agreeing that the Lesser Antilles will be affected by it, which is very likely. So Lesser Antilles, mostly the Leeward Islands and the Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico, could be really affected by potential tropical storm CHANTAL, and it is likely to not move in the Caribbean but to take a path like this and then turn up. But what does it do after that? We have to wait and see. So what about the potential intensity of it? So here are the models that are available, and majority of them are saying that yeah, it will become a tropical storm. Some say Cat 1, some say Cat 2, some say Cat 3, almost Cat 4 for some, but we don't know if that is going to take place as yet. But remember, we are going into the peak of the hurricane season where conditions start getting more and more favorable for tropical cyclone formation. So this is not impossible. It could be a Cat 4, but we don't know if that's going to take place yet. But it's likely that we might see a Cat 1 hurricane. But here's some others down here say, you know what, it will just be a depression. It won't develop into anything. So again, guys, we just have to wait and see what is going to take place. And let me show you guys what it currently looks like on satellite. Alright, here we have a map of the Atlantic, and right here we have post what was Invest 95L, but it is no longer designated as an invest. And that is the rain that we're getting right now in Jamaica from it. Might show you guys that in a separate video at the end of this. And then we have Invest 96L located right in there. So the shower and thunderstorm activity has decreased since yesterday, but when it moves into the area right here where conditions become favorable, that is where you're going to start seeing organization and more thunderstorm and shower activity taking place. So again, Northeastern Caribbean, you are at risk at the moment, so just closely monitor this system, and of course I will keep giving updates. And right behind that, here's another tropical wave. Very interesting as we're going into the peak of the hurricane season. So guys, if you found this video pretty informative, please leave a thumbs up and remember to always be weather-wise, and I'll keep giving updates on the tropics.